Everything dies. It's the ultimate rule of biology. Trees wither, stars collapse, and humans, well, we spend billions trying to figure out how not to grow old. But hidden deep in the ocean, there is a creature about the size of your pinky fingernail that completely broke the universe's code. It doesn't just age slowly. It doesn't just avoid disease. If this thing gets old, sick, or stressed out, it literally hits a reset button and turns back into a baby. Meet Turritopsis dohrnii, better known as the immortal jellyfish. Now, when most people hear immortal, they think of superheroes. But the way this jellyfish does it is way weird. Imagine you're 80 years old. Your joints hurt, your memory is faded, and you decide, nah, I'm good. So you fold your body into a ball, dissolve your own organs, and transform back into a 4-year-old child, with all your adult memories completely wiped. That isn't fiction. That is literally its life cycle. Here's how the magic trick works. Normally, a jellyfish starts as a floating larva, anchors itself to the ocean floor, and grows into a colony called a polyp. Eventually, that polyp buds off into adult jellyfish called medusae. Normally, the adult reproduces and dies. The end. But if Turritopsis gets injured, starves, or faces harsh temperatures, it pulls off a process called transdifferentiation. Transdifferentiation. Sounds like a sci-fi spell, but it's real biology. It means taking a fully specialized cell, like a muscle cell or a nerve cell, and converting it into a completely different type of cell, like a stem cell. The adult jellyfish reabsorbs its tentacles, sinks to the floor, and turns into a tiny blob called a cyst. Over a few days, those cells reprogram themselves, forming a brand new polyp colony. From that single polyp, dozens of genetically identical clones sprout out. It doesn't just cheat death, it multiplies because of it. So, why aren't the oceans overflowing with infinite jellyfish? Because biological immortality isn't invincibility. They still get eaten by fish, crushed by waves, or caught in pollution. They can die. They just don't die of old age. So what does this mean for us? Scientists are studying these tiny organisms right now to understand cellular reprogramming. If we can unlock how they reset their cellular clocks, it could pave the way for revolutionary treatments in stem cell research, cancer therapy, and heart disease regeneration. Nature solved immortality millions of years ago, and it's drifting around in the ocean right now, totally unbothered. If you could hit a reset button on your biological age, would you do it? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more bite-sized science, and I'll see you in the next one.